So there's just something really nice about Webflow that we can just quickly make these changes and not have to wait months and months for engineering resources. I'm Jose Ocando. I'm a lead Webflow developer for Whiteboard, a creative agency in Chattanooga. So our name Whiteboard actually refers to this origin story that our founders have of putting together the initial plan for this agency. So one of the things that we wanted to do with this was, how can we kind of creatively come up with the idea of whiteboarding? We spent a lot of time iterating on our homepage header, and one of the things that we wanted to do was really call out some of the values that we hold dear. You get this little Easter egg interaction that happens where the modal opens up, a Lottie plays, and you can read a little bit more about what we mean by belief, not cynicism, for example. So it's actually not a very complicated animation at all. So to build this in Webflow, this div block is kind of like our trigger element. It actually doesn't open immediately. There's this little bit of a delay where that circle kind of fills a little bit and then the modal opens. And that was to kind of prevent the user from feeling too startled or like it was too sudden of an interaction. And then the interaction I want to pay attention to is this open value modal. If I click into this, you can see that there's an initial grouping of initial states where that's just kind of hiding everything and getting it out of the way. Then we go ahead and activate everything using our display property. We bring the opacity up to 100% and then play the log. So this is just a great little way to kind of like allow our clients to get to know who we are before we jump into some of the work. This is whiteboard.is and it's made in Webflow.